Imagine waking up one day and realizing the job you've been doing for years might no longer need a human. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is happening quietly right now in offices around the world. ChatGPT and other AI tools are stepping into roles that once required hours of human effort, completing tasks in minutes. From writing reports to analyzing data, AI is getting faster, smarter, and cheaper than human employees. By the end of this video, you'll not only know if your job is at risk, but you'll also discover what steps you can take to secure your future before it's too late. 5. The quiet takeover. Let's start with the reality nobody wants to admit. AI isn't coming. It's already here. Many companies have been secretly integrating ChatGPT into daily workflows, testing it to handle tasks that previously required entire teams. Take customer support, for instance. Many businesses once relied on teams of employees to answer calls or respond to emails. Today, ChatGPT can handle thousands of inquiries at the same time, in perfect grammar, 24/7, without breaks, vacations, or sick days. Even tasks that seem human-only, like drafting emails, writing summaries, or generating proposals, are increasingly automated. Reports that once took hours or even days to prepare are now generated almost instantly by AI. Most employees don't even notice it happening. They just see tasks getting done faster and may assume it's a matter of improved efficiency. But behind the scenes, AI is quietly reducing the need for human labor. The twist? While AI can handle repetitive or structured tasks, it struggles with judgment, creativity, and emotional intelligence. These gaps are currently the safety nets for human jobs, but the pace of AI development is rapidly shrinking them. The question is, how long will those gaps remain before AI can take even more complex roles? For which jobs are safe or not? So, which jobs are at risk? Many people assume only low-skill roles will disappear, but that's far from true. Jobs that involve predictable, repetitive tasks are most vulnerable. Think data entry, basic bookkeeping, or simple customer service roles. Even routine writing, such as creating basic content or summarizing reports, is increasingly being handled by AI. However, the threat doesn't stop there. AI is now moving into areas that once seemed exclusively human. Financial analysts, legal researchers, and technical writers are seeing parts of their work automated. One law firm, for example, started using ChatGPT to draft 70% of their standard contracts. Similarly, companies are using AI to analyze business data and create presentations, cutting down the time it used to take humans by days. On the other hand, jobs that require human interaction, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving are currently less at risk. Roles in negotiation, leadership, strategy, and creative direction still need a human touch. But even these positions are beginning to feel the pressure. AI can support decision-making, suggest strategies, and even create drafts for presentations, which means the role of humans is gradually shifting from execution to oversight. The real question isn't just whether your job is safe. It's whether you're prepared to adapt fast enough to stay valuable in an AI-driven world. 3. How ChatGPT actually replaces work. Many people assume AI is limited to simple tasks, but the reality is more complex and more urgent. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Automation of routine tasks. Tasks that once required hours of human effort, like generating reports, summarizing meetings, or drafting emails, are now completed in seconds. For example, instead of an employee spending an afternoon analyzing survey results and writing a summary, ChatGPT can review the data, identify trends, and produce a polished report in minutes. This level of automation reduces the need for humans to perform the same work. Step 2. Enhancement of decision-making. AI doesn't just complete tasks. It can analyze large datasets and suggest actionable decisions. Imagine a marketing analyst who used to spend days compiling metrics from various campaigns. AI can now process the same information instantly, identify patterns, and even recommend which campaign strategies to implement next. This doesn't eliminate the role entirely but shifts it from manual work to oversight and interpretation. Step 3. Integration into workflows. ChatGPT and similar AI tools are being embedded directly into software that employees use every day, like Slack, Google Workspace, and CRM platforms. In many offices, AI acts as a coworker that never sleeps. Employees start by using it as a helper, but over time, the AI can take over entire processes. The scary part? Once a company realizes AI can do a job faster and cheaper, human roles may become optional. If this seems futuristic, consider that some of these tools are already free or extremely affordable, meaning even small businesses and startups can adopt them immediately. Your job could be at risk sooner than you think. 2. Myths and misunderstandings. There are plenty of myths floating around about AI in the workplace. Let's bust the top 3 and see what's really happening. 1. AI will only affect low-skill jobs. This is far from the truth. AI can now perform advanced tasks like writing legal summaries, analyzing financial trends, and generating marketing content. Even highly educated professionals like analysts and technical writers are seeing parts of their work automated. No one is completely immune. 2. AI will make work easier for everyone. At first glance, it seems like AI is a productivity boost. And it is, but with a catch. While AI reduces repetitive tasks, it also raises expectations. If your work can be completed faster by AI, your boss may expect more output in the same amount of time, or worse, decide your role is no longer necessary. The goalposts are constantly shifting, and staying comfortable could put you at risk. 3. Humans can't compete with AI. While AI is powerful, humans still bring qualities machines can't replicate: judgment, ethics, and emotional intelligence. The smartest approach isn't to try to outdo AI at its own game, but to learn how to complement it. Those who can work with AI instead of against it will thrive, while those who ignore it risk being left behind. The key to survival isn't avoiding AI. It's learning to integrate it into your workflow before your job becomes obsolete. 1. How to protect your job and thrive. Here's the most important part: how to protect yourself and even thrive in an AI-driven workplace. Step 1. Identify AI-vulnerable tasks in your role. Start by listing everything you do daily. Highlight tasks that are repetitive, predictable, or data-heavy. These are the tasks AI is most likely to replace. The clearer you are about your vulnerabilities, the better you can plan your defense. Step 2. Upskill in areas AI can't replicate. Focus on skills that machines struggle with: creativity, strategy, leadership, negotiation, and emotional intelligence. Online courses in AI management, data interpretation, or digital tools can also make you indispensable. The idea is to be someone who guides AI rather than competes with it. Step 3. Learn to use AI as a tool. Instead of fearing AI, master it. Use ChatGPT to draft emails, summarize reports, or generate ideas. Become the employee who can get more done with AI than anyone else. By showing that you can integrate AI into your workflow effectively, you make yourself irreplaceable. Step 4. Offer unique human value. Develop expertise, build strong relationships, and handle tasks requiring judgment, creativity, or human touch. The more value you provide that AI cannot replicate, the safer your job becomes. Your goal is not to work harder, but to work smarter alongside AI. The sooner you start, the more secure your career will be. But every day you wait, the risk increases. ChatGPT isn't a distant threat. It's already reshaping the office world. But this isn't a story of doom. By understanding which jobs are vulnerable, learning to work with AI, and focusing on uniquely human skills, you can not only survive this shift, you can thrive. Think of this as a wake-up call. Adaptation is your superpower. Your next step could be the difference between being replaced or becoming indispensable. If this video gave you insight into the hidden risks and opportunities AI presents, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Drop a comment below telling us which part of your work you think AI might replace next, and make sure to subscribe for more insights that could shape your career. And if you want to explore the AI revolution and see which industries will be hit next, click the next video now. You won't want to miss it.